You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Hey crafty friends, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and you may have seen there is a new Peanuts digital mystery box, and so my Snoopy fans will love this. And this is a holiday mystery box actually. So let's go ahead and see the image sets that are included. Actually, this is the first time I'm seeing them too because I just purchased it, signed out of my account, signed back in, and then went into my image sets. And let's look here. First we have the Peanuts Grumpy Christmas. There are 36 images in this. And we are I like Woodstock with the little sign that just says, help. Oh, these are cute. Some of them are just over Christmas. Snoopy here does not want to hear one more jingle bells. We got Snoopy as Santa and Charlie Brown. All shopped out. Luckily, we're not there yet. We're all just starting in that. I like this current Christmas mood. Help. Especially when you have so many craft projects to do, right? Like they're stacking up. There's an appalling lack of mistletoe. That is true. You don't see that much mistletoe anymore. It's the big kids who get everything. Snoopy here is just, he's done. He's done. But lots of different cute ones here. I like this with Snoopy with the wreath on his nose and then Christmas lights. Crabby Christmas. What does this say? There's nothing worse than post-Christmas letdown. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. That is what I call the Christmas hangover. It's just the day after all the presents have been unwrapped. You have done all the buying, and then I just call it the Christmas hangover because, you know, Christmas was there and now it's done. Oh, he does not want to hear one more rocking around the Christmas tree. All right, so that one has 36 images in it. And then the next one we're going to look at is called, I'm excited for this because I did my whole Christmas theme on Peppermint. Peppermint Dreams. And this one's going to have 28 images in it. Oh, and candy canes. Look at Woodstock with his little top hat and candy cane. Oh, this one's so cute. Too. Jingle all the way. Oh, happy holidays. That's super cute. That would be really cute to do too. You could do a print and cut card front with these. I like Linus at a striped candy cane striped piano. Oh, these are so stinking cute with their peppermints. I just did a peppermint and gingerbread theme tree this year, so I'm so excited for everything peppermint. Oh, and these are awesome. You can go ahead and have them cut these out. You can hang these as ornaments, or you could print it, and then on the back you could put 2 from 2 and make them like gift tags. All right, so we're gonna go look at next is Peanuts. Ooh, and this is what my theme used to be. Farmhouse Christmas. I had buffalo plaid and deers and gnomes. And this one here is gonna give us 33 images. 'Tis a season to be warm and cozy. Isn't that true? That's so true. I just can't get enough blankies. These are, oh, I love this Farm Fresh Christmas tree. This would be super cute to put on a sign too. Sledding down a hill. Woodstock in this big old puffer jacket is cracking me up. Oh, this Home Sweet Home. That would be another one that'd be really cute to put on a sign. Aw, I'm dreaming of a farmhouse Christmas. Love these. Oh, I like Snoopy as a reindeer here. He reminds me of, it's Max, isn't it? In the Grinch that they put the reindeer antlers on. Oh, that's cute with the reindeer crossing. Oh, old-fashioned sleigh rides, warm blankets, hot cocoa. That is super cute. How fun. All right, so we have one more, and this one is called Winter Wishes. Oops, let's put a, there we go. This one's gonna have 20 images in it. Ooh, nice and colorful. Lots of green and red Christmas colors in here. Quiet night, he's all snuggled in. And to all a good night. Happy holidays. Ooh, super cute for Snoopy stickers here. That's a great printable. Oh, and we do have gift tags. Right there, you can go ahead and add the names too. So cute. Season's greetings. What does this say? Season's greetings, warm wishes from Charlie Brown and Snoopy. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute are that? So this image set is available for a short time as a mystery box. So you get all 4 of those digital sets I just showed you. Now, this is available in US, Canada, and EMEA, and the price is $29.99, which is great because you get 4 entire sets for that versus buying the images individually. So links are below to go ahead and purchase a set if you guys like, but they are available for a short time only, and our Snoopy fans, these are some good Christmas ones. So thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. Oh, and check the featured items, guys. We always have giveaways going on. We just started a new giveaway again yesterday for another $100 to win to spend at Cricut.com. So always make sure and check our featured posts for giveaways and new things that come out. And to mention new things that come out, just today, Cricut released the Cricut Easy Press Mini Lite. So super easy to use. There's just one setting, and we have posts on that too. So make sure you check that out. All right, guys, we will see you guys next time, and happy crafting, friends. Bye.